Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. I am your host, Mario Dakers. I want to say, really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your busy day, whichever time span this video lasts for, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes. It doesn't really matter. You guys are already here, spending that time, listen to this video. I would really appreciate it, though, if you hit the like button, and if you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Since you're already here, just do it. Yeah. Thank you very much again for tuning in. So the Reggae Boys U18 team lost their opening game in the UEFA Friendship Tournament. As you guys know, we are in a group A. Mali, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and Jamaica. Those are the four teams. So we played against Saudi Arabia in the first matchup. Game ended 2-1. Pretty disappointing in my view, but that's how football is sometimes. Interesting thing is I didn't get a lot of information, just basically the general stuff of what's happening, but I do understand the reason for that. In the same sense, that's just a part of it. That's just how things are sometimes. Not much information coming out. I did try to see if I can get some video coverage or anything like that to present to you guys. I didn't. Very unfortunate. Apparently there's no live coverage taking place for this competition. Sometimes maybe it's just one kind of behind the scenes recruitment drive or behind the scenes recruitment. Anyways, let's get to what happened in the game. I don't know exclusively all the details, so I'm just going to give you what I was told. Based off what I was told, I think Saudi Arabia scored first. We equalized. They scored like early in the first 10 minutes of the game. We equalized in the 70, about the 70 something minute, about the 77, 78 minute. We equalized. Then now, Saudi Arabia get their second goal in the 90 plus 2 or something like that. But before that, before the game ended, we got a penalty. I think it was same Dustin Cohen went into the box. I don't know, maybe tricky feet or something like that, and it was taken down in the box. And then we got the opportunity to level the game. But unfortunately, he didn't score. Well, for points to note, he was the one who actually scored the equalizer, which make the game 1-1. But unfortunately, he got a penalty this time around and did not put it away. That's just a part of football, I would assume. Well, yeah, it's a part of football. And we have seen those things time and time again, even at the highest level of football. Nevertheless, the boys lost in the first game. Maybe something that they learned from Saudi Arabia. Don't know much. I don't know nothing at all about the Saudi Arabia team. I really don't know about the performances, how the game panned out. I really don't. It would be really important if I got the opportunity to see some of these games. But nonetheless, I'm still giving you guys information that I have at hand surrounding the game. It's not much, but I think it's something, and I do believe that at least a few persons would want to know what went down. So that's what I'm doing. So the next matchup we're going to play against, which is on the 24th. Let me see, we played on the 22nd. The first match was on the 22nd. Oh yeah, after 22nd. So we're going to play on the 24th, and that game will be against Turkey. So hopefully we can see better or more improved performance. I hope we can get a better improved performance and maybe a positive result against, Turkey. That's just football, and that's the best we can hope for. There's no surety around it. Anyways, let me just give you the starting line of the guys who played in the game. I should have done this from initial part of the game. In goal, Tawin Lynch. I think you all would have known Tawin Lynch. He's a part of the U20 squad, joined up with the U18, and that's how young he is. We have Nation Bolt Barrett. We have Javon Williams, who is captain the side. We have Jason White. We have O'Neal Edley. We have Dylan John. We have DeAndre Gallimore. We have Oden Wilberforce. We have Dustin Cohen, Daniel Clark, and Justin McPherson. This seems to be a 4-3-3 kind of system. And Jason White is at the base of the midfield. But on the bench, you have Alex James, J. Lloyd Smith, Orion Watson, Matthew Ellis, Dante Scoffrey, Nasharda Gibbs, Keanu Jackson, and Ron Webb. So that is practically the starting lineup and also the players on the bench. So, Dada, put away our chances next time, especially penalty. I've seen you scored a lot of those in the JPL. I do believe that you should be banging that. Anyways, people, that's all I know. That's all information I have at hand. I don't know anymore. If you want any more, I'm not sure where we're going to get it. Unless other persons have information. So you can probably search and you'll see. Anyways, big up yourself, people. Smash like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for coming out. Really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Enjoy your day. Big up.